Hi, welcome back to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at elective maths Wassce 2025 for Sierra Leone. Question number 3. And the question 3 is on permutation and combination. And the question reads, if n plus 1 combination n minus 1 is equal to 1 out of 6 into bracket n plus 1 permutation n minus 1, find the value of n. So this is our question. So let's see. From the question, we've been given n plus 1 combination n minus 1, which is equal to 1 over 6 into bracket n plus 1 permutation n minus 1. When you talk of combination, let's say we only have n combination r. N combination r is n factorial over n minus r factorial. R factorial. That's combination. And when we look at n permutation r is n factorial over n minus r factorial. And these are the formulas for combination and permutation. We can divide both sides by the permutation. Let the permutation go here. So we can have n plus 1 combination n minus 1 equal to 1 over 6 n plus 1 permutation n minus 1. So we divide here by n plus 1 permutation n minus 1. And here by n plus 1 permutation n minus 1. So this side is gone. So we have this one equal to that. But we said that so comparing this to this one, we can have n plus 1 factorial. I'm looking at the combination over n is n plus 1 minus r is what? N minus 1 factorial times r, and r is also n minus 1 again factorial. Divided by, I'm dividing by this one, where we have n plus 1 factorial, because permutation is also having that, over n is n plus 1 minus r, which is n minus 1. We have this factorial equal to 1 out of 6. Equal to 1 out of 6. So with this, let's continue. We have n plus 1 factorial over, we have n minus n. N minus n gives us 0. That one is gone. 1 minus negative 1, that will be 2. So we have 2. And with a factorial, then this one will give us into bracket n minus 1 factorial. Let me even change it here, times, because it is dividing. This one goes up, this and that will give you 0. And this 1 minus will be plus. So 2 factorial all over n plus 1 factorial, because this one is coming down, this one is going up, is equal to 1 out of 6. This is multiplying that. So it means this one can cancel this one, giving you 1. This 2 factorial will cancel 2 factorial. So we have 1 over n minus 1 factorial is equal to 1 over 6. 1 over 6. So you can cross multiply. So cross multiplying that, you are going to have n minus 1 factorial is equal to 6. But when you talk of factorial, it means reducing a particular number so you get 1. So 6 factorial, when you have 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which will give you 2. 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. And that will be 6. So it means 6 is the same as 3 factorial. So we have n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 factorial. This factorial, so it means that we can equate n minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, n is equal to 3 plus 1, which gives you 4. Which gives you 4. So therefore, our n is equal to 4. And that is the solution to this question. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths class on all our various channels. Have a nice day and bye-bye.